Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about behaviors and then we will run a discovery with the credential alias and the behaviors to see how it works. So what is behavior in discovery? Behavior is used to control which protocol the SISAM probe launches. And why is it important? So that we can control which port we are trying to discover. We will see how it is helpful, how we can do that in this video. So for example, if we know that we only have to discover Windows machine, we do not need protocols like SSH or SNMP to be launched in the SISAM probe. Our work can be done only with the WMI protocol. So only launching WMI protocol in the SISAM through the SISAM probe will help us to discover the device, and this can make the process really faster because the system does not have to go through sending each and every protocol and then checking which ports are open and accordingly process the discovery further. So now let us navigate to behavior, and you can see that there are two behaviors, one under service mapping and one under discovery definition. These both are going to take us to the same table. So click on any one. And now we will set up a behavior. Suppose we only want, okay, we will click new. And suppose we only want to discover Windows devices. I will name this as Windows only. So this is the name of my behavior, okay? Save. And we are not done yet. We have to create the functionality. So let's create the functionality where we will specify our mid server, which mid server to be used, which phase we will be using it. The phase is going to be 1 because in the SISAM probe is the first phase. In the first phase, SISAM probe is launched to phase will be first. Functionality will be what you want to be which port you want to see if it is open or not. We are working for Windows devices, we will go for VMI only. If you know that you are going to search only for Linux or Unix devices, you can search and select SSH only. So you have a list of options here. For SNMP, you can go and you can select if you know that you have to discover network devices or printers. Unix only for SSH as said. So this is how we select the functionality. Select your mid server, which will actually use this behavior. Lock it and save it. So now we have created behavior. The name of the behavior is Windows only. Let's go and create a discovery schedule and see what happens. So discovery schedules. Let's create a new discovery schedule. Windows device only. Very specific name. And discover CI use behavior. So here, because we have to use behavior, we will select the method use behavior. Okay. And when you select use behavior, you can see that previously we had the option of selecting mid server, but now we have the option to select behavior. And if you remember that we just created behavior and we have already mentioned which mid server is going to be used when we are going to set this behavior for this particular discovery schedule. So we do not need mid server to be specified again for this particular discovery schedule. It is already inside this behavior. So all done. Let's save. So for scheduling discovery, this is the first time I'm going to schedule the discovery now. For scheduling the discovery, you have to give quick ranges. So I'm giving this IP range here. And now when you mention quick ranges, you can see that it is being displayed here in the related tabs of discovery IP ranges. Now let's run the discovery. So once we run the discovery, we have our discovery status. Click in the discovery status. In the ECC queue, you can see since we have used behavior where only window devices needs to be discovered, the only SISAM, the only protocol that is launched during this SISAM probe is WMI. This is what we had set up using that behavior. So this is where the difference is. I'll show you once more using the same thing. If I do not use this behavior, then how many of the protocols are normally sent during the SISAM probe, so that you can just refer and you can just see the difference. So here we see that only WMI protocol has been sent. So this is how we restrict or we control that which protocol will be sent by the SISAM probe during the scanning phase. And we will keep refreshing it until it is completed. Once it is completed, you can see what was the problem, or was it discovered, discovery completed, any update or not update. Now let's do one more thing. This time we will create another discovery schedule. Okay, this one was the earlier one with behavior. Let's make a change here. Okay, this is also Windows devices. Fine. So this is another discovery schedule where we are using specific mid server. We will only mention the quick ranges that I have already mentioned here and click on discover. And you can see we have a discovery status here. This time in the ECC queue, you can see SISAM probe launched all these protocols: WMI, SNMP, SSH, HTTP, WNIS, DNS. All these protocols were sent in the SISAM with the SISAM probe. It was launched by SISAM probe during the scanning phase of the discovery when behavior is not set up. It is recommended to use behavior when you know that there is only particular kind of device that is going to be discovered using that particular discovery schedule. It will save time, and this is how we use discovery and why discovery is and this is how we use discovery, and you can see here it is updated. Finally the device is found and has been updated here. So this is all about why behavior is important, how we use behavior, how we create behavior. This is all about this video. We'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.